I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions had an echo in so much space. Ooh, and you were out there without care. Yeah, I was out of touch, but it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. That made me crazy. That made me crazy. That made me crazy. Probably. That you are having the time of your life. Think twice, it's my only advice. 'Cause I think you're crazy.